Namaste. Are you struggling with really bad period pain? You've tried water bags, you've tried pills, everything you can, but it's still just really hurting? Don't worry. Try out these few very simple but effective asanas, giving yourself this beautiful massage in your inner organs, and you're really going to feel an instant relief. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting in Vajrasana, as you inhale, raise your hands up, and exhale, fold down and walk your hands away from you into this Adho Mukha Balasana, gently stretching the hips, the thighs, and the lower back, reducing the tension. Gliding towards our butterfly pose as we open up the hip and groin region, and then gliding into Paschimottanasana, giving ourselves a nice, beautiful opening in the lower back. Breathe here for a few breaths. And then come back very slowly, gently, making your way into cat-cow, the spinal movement that increases flexibility and massages your abdominal organs and helps release that tension in the back and also reduce the cramps. So just allow yourself at least 10 rounds here and then make your way back into Vajrasana. This one is one of my favorites, this inversion called Viprit Karani, as it improves the blood circulation. It's really good, reduces fatigue and alleviates stress. And then of course making your way into Supta Padukun Asana, really beautiful pose just to relax completely, and ending with a beautiful spinal twist, gently just moving the knees from side to side, keeping the shoulders on the mat, and then relax in Shansarovar Asana. I hope this helps, and keep practicing every day in a very gentle, subtle, beautiful way with yourself. Try to really focus on your breath as you're doing the asanas, and I promise you, you'll really feel so much better. Namaste.